So I'm sure you noticed some cracks around your home, windows and doors not opening like they should, uneven slab, or maybe even a section of your home that's literally settling. Well, not to worry, there's always a solution to whatever foundation problem you're facing, and this solution might be the one for you. Hi, I'm Steven. I'm a crew leader with Arizona Foundation Solutions, and in this video I'll go over in detail about our Push Pier system by Supportworks. We'll go over the benefits, costs, installation, timeline, and whether it's the right fit for your home's foundation. The Push Pier system is engineered to lift and stabilize a home. It consists of galvanized steel tubes and brackets that are carefully installed at the footing of your home. The number of piers are dependent upon the severity of the foundation problem. Push piers are best utilized for heavier structures. Features. This patented system, as mentioned before, consists of galvanized metal and heavy-duty brackets. Because they are galvanized, they are more resistant to rust, making sure to keep your home secure for many years. The Push Pier system comes with a lifetime warranty that's transferable should you decide to sell your home. Foundation repair can also increase the value of your home. Installation. After the crews arrive, they will prep the work areas of your home. We ask that you make sure to clear away anything that might be in the way of our crews. This includes landscape, lawn ornaments, etc. Our crews will proceed to dig up the soils around your home. Typically, the holes will be a few feet wide and approximately 3 to 5 feet deep, depending on the depth of your home's footing. After the soil is cleared away, it will proceed with the installation of the piers. A hydraulic rod will push the piers into the soil beneath the footing until it reaches what we call load-bearing soil. This can either be bedrock or hard and pressurized soil several feet below. Once the piers have all been installed, the lifting process will begin. Our crews will use a pump to pressurize the lift. This process will take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. The lift is subtle, but will be noticeable. Once the home has been lifted, our crews will secure the piers and brackets to permanently remain. Timeline. So how long would this procedure take? In simple terms, you're looking at a few days. Prepping can take a few days depending on the number of piers needed, and variables can occur like bad soil conditions, incremental weather, and location. The nice thing to know is regardless of the time, you'll be able to remain in your home during the work. For more insight as to the time it will take for installation, check out this video. Costs. There's no really easy way to soften the blow of foundation repair. It can get costly. Costs will depend largely on the many variables. Costs are added on due to the number of piers needed or tube extensions that have to be installed. Foundation repairs typically range from 10 to 30% the cost of your home. Our teams work hard to limit any variables that could occur in order to protect not just your home, but your wallet. Full breakdown of costs are available when you meet with our foundation specialists. They will be transparent in why the costs are what they are, who it's for or not for. Depending on the type of land your home rests upon, push piers might be the most ideal or not recommended at all. If your home rests on standard soils, push piers will work just fine. Rocky soil conditions are doable with the use of a rock drill. Cobblestone-laden soils usually create setbacks and are better serviced with compaction grouting or micropiles. Sandy soils are usually better served with helical piers, which we'll cover in another video. Mobile homes are not recommended to use push piers. So now that you know a little more about push pier system, is there anything else you want to know? Anything we didn't cover? Reach out to our foundation specialist with any further questions, and they will be more than happy to answer any additional questions you have. I hope this video was of value to you and has given you the peace of mind you need to make an informed decision. If you found it helpful, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.